Hi, this is a new series of Dividend portfolio aiming $250K. Let's see the dividend portfolio current worth. It's $1,242. Last week the return was 2.38, so that's a good sign. And we it's showing no dividends earned last week. Let's go to the overall portfolio. So its return is so that is also on positive. And in total we received $26, around $27 in dividends. Let's go to the activity for the previous week. Last week there was no major activity, only the regular $11 deposit and trading $11 buy on JP. Now going to each pie. Costco membership, as you know, like we received the financial independence on Costco membership. So no more investment going on. Whatever dividends will be reinvested. So as we didn't receive any dividends last week, we didn't do any activity for Costco membership. On to car wash. So before that, we'll see like okay, the allocated person for car wash is 66%. Currently, it is only 46. So whatever we deposit will go to car wash. So inside car wash, there is only one slice, JP. Everything is 100% JP. If we go to JP, it's currently we hold 10.974 shares. It's an average price of 54.64. JP currently reduced their market price, so the total return it's on a negative side 52.53 currently. If you see the total return 4.46 negative on the negative side, and we received a total dividend for 2 months. I guess it's 7.63 with our current investment. Let's go. Let's go and see the Excel to find out what is the now current monthly. Currently, JP it increased to 10.974 shares. So we invested $11. So total cost increased to 592, and the average yield on cost for the entire portfolio currently it's more than 10.10%. Monthly dividend it increased from 10.85 to 10.93. Annual dividend it reached $131. Let's go and see the fire date upon calculation and the page that is developed to calculate financial independence. You just put 10.93, click submit. Yeah. So as of today, if I receive 5,184, that's the target for today to have financial independence. But currently we have only 10.93. So financial dividend date, independent date, year 2331, May 8, and during at that year my age would be 346, and I'll be receiving around 5 million as a dividend with the current flow. There was no major milestones this week. We'll see the milestones achieved so far, starting with the portfolio. That that's all for the day. Thank you.